Let's be gay and touch skin together.
Touch skin?
Yeah, we're gonna touch his skin. Oh, that was a good one.
How do you feel, Seth?
That hurt. Seth needs a blowjob.
What?
Whoa, Jesus.
What did I just walk into?
Guys.
Hey, do you want your back popped?
Huh?
You want your back popped?
All
All right, Johnny, go ahead.
right, lay down.
I don't think it's gonna be.
All right, put your hands to your side. Go ahead, Johnny.
Alright.
Remember Johnny.
I'm just gonna like push down. You gotta like breathe out, like relax, like all the way. Oh dang!
I don't think he's relaxed enough.
don't
I
think so
am.
either.
You're tensing up. I can feel
Or
it.
maybe he's just tense, like in general.
No, I'm sorry, I don't want to sound like that guy, but I work out every day. I don't want to be that
If you
asshole.
don't get back,
That's gonna get a lot of comments on fucking YouTube.
I'm sorry.
What?
I don't want to be an asshole.
I don't want to be that guy, but I work out every day.
No, listen, guys, listen.
Alright, breathe out.